I can do that. 6 times a member of American. 8 times the National Aerobatic Champion, owner of the Paddywhack Shed. Diagonal line and ladies and gentlemen, the octagon loop, where I have the roll on each side, but the one and only Vince Paddywhack Shed. Adding up and over the top now. I'd like to thank some of our tour sponsors on our national air show tour. And we also want to thank you and aircraft lighting systems. Thank you. Patty is an AOPA, the Aircraft Owners and Pilots Association. She is an ambassador to flight. Ambassador for flight. Very, very gracious lady. Has their puppy dog put her here this weekend. Jack Russell Terrier. Turning now, rolling to the left, turning to the right. Just imagine the concentration in this tape. Rolling the airplane to the left, turning to the right. You get right there at 270-degree point, stop the aerobatic loop, we're going to do it right back here. Once again. Up to the north end, to the aerobatic area, falls back off the stick. Around 5 inches away around the inside room, now watch this, he gets right down here and starts center. Gonna fill the nose up. Straight up on the bridge, one line, there's a half roll. Across the top. Rolling around sideways. Actually sliding the airplane around, skidding it, if you will. And nice and heavy.
Once again, if you're in front of my ATV, you're probably in the emergency traffic lane. It's marked by cones and signs that say do not block lanes. Move at this time. You're in between those, you're probably 10 meters.
God bless tight in, please. But two, how about a double hammerhead turn? A double front wheeling turn, as we call it. And now about the other way. Look at that airplane go up on the 45 degree angle line. Keep your eye on that. Watch that. This is workhole now. Now he's going to turn it around and come right back down. The same line he went up. Just like it's not, I can tell you. World Freestyle aerobatic champion and 4 times U.S. Navy. Rock gets it right there. Now on the green flag, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way back down. 1, 2, rolling around the other way now. Still up, still twisting and turning. Coming down through his own smoke. About 220 miles per hour right here like this. And then kicking back the other way in a double, 1.5 cat roll. Sometimes certain airplanes, certain pilots, they get doing things so fast that I can't keep up with. They get the tongue wrapped around my eyepiece and smell. I lose sight of it.